So when I was about 10 or 11 years old, my Boy Scout troop and I went to Camp Hale Scout Reservation, which was this 7-day outdoor camp. I always had a good time at Hale, but there was one snag. This kid we'll call Carson. He had a really short fuse and would always just say the wrong thing. One day, we're sitting outside the trading post, which is this air-conditioned gift shop, playing poker on the picnic tables outside, but Carson is staring down this vending machine. Now, Carson had made it abundantly clear that he had not brought any money, so I think he was just expecting a Coke to fall out of it or something like that, but all of a sudden he just snaps and starts beating the crap out of the machine. My troop leader comes up and basically just tells him to walk it off. Carson throws up his hands and walks down Cardiac Kill, which was named because this kid had a heart attack on it and died. I'm just kidding. Anyway, we don't really think much of it. It's kind of normal for Carson, and we go back to our game. Sometime later, we're at lunch, eating beans and bug juice, having a conversation among ourselves, when this guy walks up and says, "Is Carson part of your troop?" And we say, "Yeah." And he says, "Well, he was just found 10 miles outside of Hale." Can you believe that? There's a hiking merit badge that only makes you walk 30. I mean, seriously, you have to admire Carson's tenacity at least. I mean, he walked 10 miles fueled by nothing but stubbornness and rage. If anyone wants to tell you that being a Boy Scout's lame, well,